everyone, it's Tammy, and it is April 9th, which is insane because you can see out there it's a little white. We've had a little bit of snow. I don't get it. But anyway, I did a Hobby Lobby haul, and I thought that I would show you guys what I got. And I spent about $50, and some of this is Easter stuff. Well, let me tell you how much I spent. I spent, oh, $62.77. So some of it is Easter stuff, and they have all of their Easter stuff now for 80% off. And some of it is some crafting things that I want to do. So let me show you the Easter stuff first, because I need to get this and put this away for sure. But I couldn't resist on some of it for 80% off. This was $4, and look how cute it is. It's just a big, huge welcome bunny, and it has a stand. So I thought this would be really cute to put out in the front of my porch, or not, yeah, the front, in my porch, like by the front door, and it just says welcome, and it's just a cute little bunny. So I just thought that I would get that and put that by the door. And I'm thinking that because it's flat, it'll be pretty easy to store. So I'm kind of trying to be conscious about that too, because I hate having too much clutter right now. It's driving me bananas. And then I got another sign. Again, it's flat, but I just loved this one. And this one was $15.99, so this was about $3. Let me see what it says. I think this one was $3.20. So, my goodness, look how cute it is. It has the little car that I love, but it's pink instead of red for Easter. I thought that was cute. And it has a galvanized egg. It's a little bent, but I'm sure I can bend that back. And it says Happy Easter. Isn't that cute? So I will be doing that. And let's see, here's some other Easter stuff. So here is the Easter flag. And this was $8, so I think it was $1.20 or $1.40. I'm not sure. They, you know how Hobby Lobby does. They just put their things on the receipt. It doesn't tell you individually what each thing is. But 80% off of $8 would be about $2. So that's pretty cool. And this was the most expensive thing that I got. And I think this is the one that was $4.40. It is, or maybe it was just $4. I don't know. This is Resurrection Egg, and it's by Family Life. And it says that it's in English and in Spanish. Open the wonder of Easter. This was the only one that they had, and it says over 1.5 million sold. And it says, send your children on a hunt that will lead them to the treasure of Easter. Read the story together, open each egg, and find a surprise inside, a symbol of Jesus' journey to the cross. It's a great way to connect while reliving the events of the history-changing hours. Includes an egg carton, 2 plastic eggs, an egg carton, 12 plastic eggs with new and improved symbols inside, 1 beautifully illustrated bilingual storybook, and 1 set of colorful stickers. And my daughter is in elementary education, and I thought that this would be really good for her. So there is that. I don't think I'm going to be using it unless I use it with grandchildren years from now, but I'm not planning on having grandchildren soon, and I think I'd rather her be able to use it. Same with this. This, you know, I call my daughter Chick, so I thought this would be really cute to give to her, and she could use it maybe in her classroom. This was $1 after the discount. And this too, this is some artificial grass. Isn't this cool? It was $17.99, so what's that, like $3? I thought it was really neat with the little fence. So I'm going to use this probably as a centerpiece on my table. I thought that was really cool. And I also got, these were on sale for 50% off, just the single whatever, these stems, and I just thought these were really pretty, like little miniature sunflowers. So I got that for something that I'm going to be doing as a DIY project. So I'm going to put this Easter stuff back in here. I might make 2 bags, one for me and one for Katie. I don't know. I'm just going to put them all in one. What the heck? It doesn't matter right now. I wouldn't give them to her right now anyway. She would be like, Mom, what am I supposed to do with all this? So I think there's still room in that bag for a little bit more. Crazy. Okay, so I got this storage like thing for $2, and it's big. It's a big one. I don't know if it tells me what size it is. It's a little bit bent up, but I didn't care. This is a 13-inch round box, and I figured it would be good. I just got glitter all out of here. Something just glittered me. Oh well. I thought that this would be good to hold all of my Easter plates that I had gotten at Hobby Lobby earlier this year, and I used them this season, but I can go ahead and store them in this, I think. So I think that'll be good. And then I found this cute little bunny. It's just a decorative bunny, and it has Velcro on its ears, so you can close it over the Easter basket like this, so you can hang it on the Easter basket. Isn't that cute? This was $1.20. And I thought these were really cute. These were $1.20 as well, or maybe $1.40. And they're just decorative eggs in this little carton. I thought they were cute, and I thought they would go well on the grass. Here is a little paper mache egg that I thought was really cute. This was 60 cents. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with prices like that. Trying to show you all the Easter-y stuff first. This was just really cute. I thought this would be cute in the middle of that thing, and it says Happy Easter in gold, and then it has the gold glitter. Trying to move my fingers back and they don't want to cooperate. This may have been what glittered me, because glitter is getting everywhere, so I'm going to make sure I wrap that pretty tightly. And this is another Easter thing. She charged me, I think, 60 cents for this, or 40 cents for this, maybe even 20 cents. I mean, it was cheap, and it was just really cute. It didn't have a tag. I didn't know how much it was supposed to be. I didn't know if it went with something. It was just sitting by itself. And you know how much I love chickens. I have to get it. So I got that. And like I said, she charged me like almost nothing for it. 20 cents is what she charged me for it. So I couldn't not get that. Okay, so that is all of the Easter-y stuff that I got. For a DIY project, I needed some moss, and this was really cute. I used my discount on this because it was $5.99 originally, so I used my 40% off coupon. It is very soft and nice moss, but it is pricey. I should have looked at the Dollar Tree and gotten it there, but I was not planning on getting these either. But these were $2.50, normally $10. And you put batteries in it and it lights up. So I thought that was really cute, and I could paint it and decorate it and make it pretty. So that's says family, and I actually got 2 of those because I figured I could make one for a gift for my mother-in-law. So I think that's what I'm going to do with that. Sorry, I'm moving it around. And then this, these were 30% off of all of their cake and cookie and candy making things. And I got rid of all of my plastic molds just recently. They were just kind of collecting dust, and I hadn't used them forever, but I did not miss, but I knew that this one was hard to get rid of, my like peanut butter cup maker. So when I found this one, it was $3.99 and it was 30% off. So I thought, well, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and repurchase the silicone one because these are so much better. So I did that. Now I don't know that I'm going to replace all of my molds or even a quarter of my molds. I probably will replace, I have this one and I have a chocolate bar one now, and I have some flowery ones, and that might be all I need. So that's that. Now the last things I got were for a DIY project, and I will take you guys along with that. I plan to anyway. I got some of these flowers. These were also not on sale. These were the only other thing that was not on sale. And then I got these flowers and these flowers. Oh, I'm mistaken. Sorry. Those flowers were on sale. These were the ones that were not. And these were the only ones that I was kind of questioning whether or not I wanted because I wasn't sure if I wanted the different colors. But they're so pretty with the glitter on them. I went ahead and got them anyway. So I didn't use my discount on that, but normally I don't like to buy anything at Hobby Lobby that doesn't have a discount because I know it will be on sale soon if it's not on sale now. But I didn't get it. And then I have a T, if you guys remember from a different one. So I got the D and then the ampersand sign so that I could have a D and T, and I'm going to use these for a crafting project. And then I also got all of the letters to spell out love. So that is also a crafting project. And like I said, I will take you guys along on those. I just need to sit down and do them sometime. So that is what I got. Oh no, there's one more flowery. So that's what I got from Hobby Lobby, and thanks for coming along. They have really good sales right now. I love after their holiday sales because they just have such good things, and they're getting out some 4th of July things that looked really cool too. So thanks for coming along. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.